started at the wrong spot. I'm currently an hour and 11 minutes in, 3.53 miles and 1,016 feet elevation gain. Right now I'm heading downhill. As you can see, I just came from up there. I'm about halfway. I've only seen like 4 people total, which is kind of crazy. This is so close to Narapark. It's really nice because the trail is mostly shady. So it's pretty cool actually. It's not as hot as I was expecting. Fingers crossed it stays that way. There's this stream down there. Really pretty. And all of the different trees are so pretty. Like, I'm sweating so much. I was smart and I brought a towel this time because every time I go hiking, I end up sweating so much more than I expected. This hike has actually been kind of like, I don't know, it's like easy but hard. Oh, there's a rest stop up ahead, so I'm gonna get out my snacks. I'm gonna eat them while I walk. Got some candy because my mom just visited me, so she brought me some stuff from America. But I have my little baggie of candy. Nerd gummy clusters and these Trader Joe's sweet candies, but eat these while we walk. Let's go. We're right here. So I'm gonna go see this waterfall. This way. Look how pretty this is. have 1.29 miles left, and I'm getting like kind of tired. Everything kind of looks the same, and it's really, really pretty, don't get me wrong. Like, this is really pretty. I'm like trying to push through because I still kind of have a little bit to go. Like, it doesn't sound like that much, but you can kind of see on the map there's still kind of a long way to go. I'm trying to like change my music and think about stuff, but I'm getting really tired right now, and I'm getting really, really hungry. Beware of snakes. I'm so glad I haven't seen a snake. I still need to get a bear bell too. I still need to invest in some hiking shorts because right now I'm just in like running shorts and this tank top. When I'm out in the sun like this, it's really hot. I can feel it coming up from the rocks. I was just getting a little bored, so I thought I'd talk to you guys. I think I've passed by like 10 people, maybe, out of the whole thing, which is kind of crazy. So this is what I mean by it's kind of boring, is that it's the same like loop around, and you kind of just like go like this all the way down. And the waterfall was so pretty. I haven't really seen that many waterfalls in Japan. I think that was like my third waterfall, maybe, overall. And it was funny seeing that guy laying down, just like taking a nap there. It's really cool because there's so many different hiking paths and trails that you can go on. And I noticed, actually, I've seen a lot more people come towards me, so going the opposite way than going this way around the loop. You can kind of see, so up ahead, it's gonna curve around that way. And I don't know, it's hard to see for you guys, but or on camera, but there's a loop that goes that way. So it's just like walking a bunch of loops. One thing I will say though is that there are a lot of bugs here. Like, that sounds kind of stupid, but like there's so many bugs, and I've been spraying bug spray all over myself and they're still like flying at me. So yeah, I'm gonna push through, and hopefully if I finish in time, there's this omurice place that me and my friends ate at when we came here last year. It was so good. Like, we constantly talk about it. So I really hope I have time to go there before they close, because they close at 4 p.m. It's currently 1:21 p.m. Hopefully I will get there in time. I'm about to take a bath, and I got this from Loft the other day. I'm hoping that I get the crab one. Oh my gosh! Look, this is so cute! I thought the bath bomb was gonna be shaped as like this, but